Hey Seth,
Hey Maya.
I learned some new cool stuff about Neptune. You want to hear?
Sure.
Did you know that Neptune's actual diameter is 49,244 kilometers?
Cool.
And the distance from the Sun is pretty long, so be ready. 4,498,396,441 kilometers.
Oh, that's far.
I almost lost breath there. The mass of the planet is 10,241 times 10 to the 22nd power kilograms. The surface gravity is 1.14 and the average temperature is negative 200 degrees Celsius. The length of one day is 16.11 hours.
Oh, that's not very long at all.
And the length of 1 year is 165 days.
Oh.
The number of observed moons is 14, and the atmosphere is made up of 80% hydrogen, 19% helium, 0.5% methane, and other elements. And lastly, the orbital speed is 5.43 kilometers per second.
Well, let's find some cool stuff about Neptune, too.
Let me hear.
There are 3 great dark spots on Neptune. They are wider than the Atlantic Ocean. The smaller dark spot is potentially part of the bigger one that just broke off.
Oh,
It has 500 miles per hour winds.
fast.
Craters cannot be formed on Neptune because it is mostly made of gas.
Oh, I see.
Voyager 2 was the one and only man-made object to observe Neptune. Also, Voyager 1 and 2 were the first spacecraft to discover Neptune.
Ooh, nice.
I also know that Neptune was first located through mathematics and calculations. A storm called the Great Dark Spot. It has a storm called the Great Dark Spot. It is an ice giant, and there is no potential for life. There are 5 main rings and 4 prominent rings. The magnetic field is 27 times more powerful than Earth. It's the 8th planet from the Sun. Its wind speed is 1,200 miles per hour.
I also learned some new facts about Neptune. It was first seen by a satellite. It has 16 moons. Neptune's largest moon was Triton and was discovered on October 10th, 1846 by William Lassell. Triton was discovered only 17 days after the planet was found. There are geysers on Triton. The Great Dark Spot was large enough to contain Earth and Neptune's main axis of Neptune's magnetic field. Some more stuff that I learned was that they used Hubble Space Telescope and powerful ground-based telescopes. Neptune is 4 times lighter than Earth. Voyager 2 is the first and only spacecraft to study Neptune up close. Titan is the largest moon on Neptune, and Voyager 2 revealed facts about Triton such as that the surface resembles the rind of a cantaloupe. The name Triton comes from the Roman god of the sea, and Triton is one of the coldest objects in the solar system.
Yeah, there's no potential for life because of the extreme cold temperatures. Neptune's rings are relatively young and short-lived. Neptune is our widest solar system planet. Neptune is the densest planet in our solar system. Scientists believe that there might be boiling water under Neptune's clouds. It doesn't boil away because of the incredibly high pressure keeps it inside. And the last one, Neptune's rings have rare clumps of dust called arcs.
That is some interesting information about the lonely planet Neptune.
Yeah, it is.
Bye.
Goodbye, big blue marble.